and two cups to collect the water, and a bucket to also collect the water. I'll be hanging somewhere. A filter, and the water will go through these tiny holes, and it will switch. Light and two sliders, but they both look the same. These three stands are for the water table, and these two stands are for the tub to be lifted up. So, and these are the instructions. Let me see. Oh. I'm moving. Oh, go, Roger. Look at my frog. Mama, look, first put his tummy like this flat until the water rises. His tummy rises like this. And put him in the water, and it's rising. And he's full until spirits it out. First, press down his tummy. The water will go down and flow to the tummy, and will go to the even more space and spit out. That's how the frog drinks water and spit it out. Mama, it's so much fun. That's my fun. You think Dad is back? I isn't back. Amazing, Mama. The gears are starting to spin. We need more water. One more water coming right up.